Okay, you guys know the days will come, and today is the day I'm gonna try to disassemble this new GA-140. And before I begin, just a quick tool introduction. I just recently purchased this not new, it's quite old, but I just recently got it. This electronic screwdriver, which could twist right and left like that. I gotta say, I've been using this for quite a few weeks, and it is very convenient. If you always disassemble a G-Shock watch, you gotta have one of these. Let's begin with the disassembly. Okay, done disassembling the watch. Took me really minimal efforts. And let's have a look. Open it up. There you go. Well, this is the backplate with the piezoelectric speaker AE49. And I'm gonna need to use this tweezer to remove this just in case there's a spring hidden somewhere. We have a plastic back cushioning. It is not as soft as the usual rubber, but well, I think most recent models have this thing, right? Probably to save costs. It does have Castle Japan sign on the inside. They have 0 joules, and this is the battery. And apparently it is, what is this? This is the first time I saw this watch interior, and the battery is quite small. I'm guessing that is SR927, and removing the model is pretty easy as well. So this is the hard case of the GA-140. I believe you could swap the hard case to other ones, other GA100 series, or you could swap the band and bezel to any other GA100 series as well if you don't like the purple ones. Alright, I gotta stop this over here. As you can see, it operates on different batteries, CR1220, and I just removed this metal plate, and I found out that there's the coil motor over here, and I'm guessing this is the anti-magnetic plate, since this watch is indeed anti-magnetic resistance. So I'm going to remove this one to remove this metal plate, and this one as well, and then I could have access inside after I pull these hands out, all 3 of them. It's gonna be pretty brutal video right now. If you cannot stand it, don't watch it, And so far the construction is really impressive. It looks really good, I would say. So if you are concerning if your watch is genuine or fakes, I mean, just look at how much detailing they have on the watch face. I have a good feeling all the fakes one won't have any one of this detailing at all. I think I'll just disassemble the entire piece. I don't have to remove the buttons and this panel over here because that will require me to remove the glass, which is possible. I could do that, but there's no need to do so because we could already see how it looks like from the inside. This part, however, is pretty nice. And to be straightforward, I haven't seen any GA-100 series interior all the way to this point yet, so this is my first time. So I gotta say, the construction of this GA-140, despite the low cost, it is really incredible. The detailing is nice, and look at all the 4 springs for the 2 motors, which should be down there, of course. And those springs will connect to the circuit board at those 4 holes over there, round shaped thingy. And I gotta say, the build of this thing as well is really nice. If you shake this thing up, you could be able to hear the rattling sound of the ball bearing for the auto-like functions, though I cannot find where is it. Probably this one, just my guess. But anyhow, if you look over here, you can see how much detailing the circuit board design is. I love how they place the connection for the display panel all the way at the centers. There's some more connector over here for circuit board, and I also like how they align all those capacitors all in one place. That is really nice circuit board design there. Very beautiful circuit board. I know, even though they have similar functions in comparison to other GA-100 series, but I bet if you remove the circuit board, they'll all will have different circuit board design, and that's one other thing that people just cannot see, you know. And for the LED lights, connect with these 2 parts over here, and it connects using this connector similar to the ones on the display panel, which is nice, cost saving, and a lot easier to disassemble because it's not using the gold spring like some high-end models, but it could expire over time, so be well aware of that. If your LED lights didn't lights on, perhaps you should try check this part out, or check the connector, is it clean or not, or where is it? The LED light should be over here in orange. I think could swap this part out. They just bent the metal like that. If I straighten them out, I could pull it out and put some other LED over here, and probably I could use a white LED in the watch if I wanted to. And if you know what, if I could snuck any other LED in here, probably gonna place one more somewhere here or here, so I could light up the entire digital display at the same time. So that could be a really nice hacking if you're daring enough. I hope you guys learned a thing or two in this simple disassembly video. Thank you very much for watching. This is gshock, and I